Good morning, everyone. Okay, today we will learn about fundamentals and operations of insurance. Okay, there are principles of insurance. There are six legal principles that underlie insurance contract. What is that? First, insurable interest. Second, utmost good faith. Third, indemnity. Fourth, subrogation. Five, contribution. And fourth, proximate. Fourth pula. Six, ya. Six, proximate cost. Okay. Insurable interest exists when insured person derives a financial or other kind of benefits from the continuous existence of the insured object or property. Okay, when insured person suffer a financial loss or other kind of losses is established by ownership, possession or direct relationship. Insurable interest must be supported. The benefit is to prevent gambling, to reduce moral hazard, to measure the amount of the insured loss is property insurance. Okay, two concepts that related to insurable interest. What is that? First is subject matter of insurance, can be any property. Example, motor insurance. Subject matter is vehicles such car and motorcycles. Second, subject matter of the insurance contract, the amount based on the value stated in the contract. Utmost good faith is a very basic and first primary principle of insurance, can be defined as the positive duty to disclose fully and accurately all material facts relating to the proposed risk that a proposer know or is reasonably expected to know whether asked it or not. Okay, person getting insured must willingly disclose and surrender to the insurer his complete true information regarding the subject matter of insurance. Example, if you have a cancer, then you have to inform your insurance company that you have a cancer. Okay, if you buy medical insurance, okay, you must be honest lah, for this utmost good faith, you must be honest. Indemnity. Indemnity means security, protection, and compensation given against damage, loss, or injury. Insurance contract is signed only for getting protection against unpredicted financial losses arising due to future uncertainties. The objective to ensure that the insured, after being indemnified, shall not be better off than before the loss. Okay, four method uses by the company to indemnify insurer. First, by cash. Second, to repair. Third, replacement. And fourth, reinstatement. Two fundamental is to prevent the insured from profiting a loss and to reduce moral hazard or dishonesty. Subrogation means substituting one creditor for another. And extension and another corollary to principle of indemnity. Applicable when the damaged property has high value after the event causing damage. Okay? Four ways on how subrogation arises. Okay? Subrogation arising out of tort, out of contract, out of statute, and out of subject matter. Contribution applies to all contracts of indemnity taken out more than one policy on the same subject matter. Insured can claim the compensation only to the extent of actual loss either from all insurers or from any one insurer. If one company pay full, then the other insurance company can claim the proportionate claim from the other insurers. Principle of this contribution is the amount which each insurer has to contribute to the cost of a loss when two or more insurers cover the loss. If one of the insurer already has paid the full, the insured cannot claim the same at the other insurance company for the same loss in order to make profit. That is contribution. It will apply only when two or more policies of indemnity exist. The policies must cover a common interest, loss related to an interest covered under the policies, and the policies cover a common subject matter. And each policy must be liable for the loss. The policies cover a common peril which gives a rise to the loss, such as the loss must be caused by a peril insured under the policies. The proximate cause means when a loss is caused by more than one causes. The proximate cause or the nearest or the closest clause should be taken into consideration to decide the liability of the insurer. Nearest ni nearest. My typo. Okay, sorry for that. Saya pun blur. The proximate cause or the nearest or the closest cause. Okay. The principle states that to find out whether the insurer is liable for the loss or not. Okay, the nearest cause is seawater. This the example. However, in case of life insurance, proximate cause does not apply. Okay, so let's do review. Under this topic, we have learned about risk load. Okay, thank you. Thank you.